Top 6. Best Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner. If you're looking for the best pressure washer surface cleaner, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Twinkle Star 15-inch Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner. Number 2. EDOU 15-inch Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner. The EDOU has tough flexible bristles to protect surfaces from damage. Its cleaning reach is 15, similar to the Twinkle Star. This model also features dual, high-pressure, rotating jets that remove stuck-on dirt and grime with ease. The EDOU Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner offers all the pressure and reach of the Twinkle Star with even more durability. All heavy-duty commercial pressure washing technicians should consider the EDOU. The EDOU is great for tough job sites because of its heavy-duty brass body, stainless steel, and durable hard composite components. Number 3. Karcher T300 Hard Surface Cleaner. At 11 inches in diameter, this one is perfect if you have a small to medium-sized surface to cover. Plus, at 4 pounds, this one is very comfortable to use if you have a difficult cleaning task ahead of you. This Karcher Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner features a PSI rating of 2300, meaning that it is compatible with most light to medium-duty electric pressure washers. Plus, with the variable pressure dial, you may easily adjust the pressure until it becomes something comfortable for you. Karcher Surface Cleaner can efficiently clean each area that it goes over with only one pass, therefore saving you on both time and water. Number 4. AR Blue Clean 10 Deck, Patio and Flat Surface Cleaner. If you want something that looks fancy, but does not have a price that will leave you bankrupt for the rest of the month, then you might want to give this model a try. With a 10-inch width, it is small and compact, and perfect for cleaning your average patio and turning your device into a driveway pressure washer. This product was specifically designed to prevent water from overspraying, to which the nylon brush skirt adds further. It efficiently cleans any surface without leaving streaks behind. Number 5. AGI-Man Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner. Number 6. M-Mingle 15-inch Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner. The M-Mingle 15-inch surface cleaner works great for large and flat surfaces, such as the walls, rooftops, patios, fences, and others. The pressure washer cleaner attachment includes a 15 surface cleaner, two 15 extension wands with 2 replacement nozzles. This provides a decent working pressure up to 3,600 psi. The hover action makes surface cleaning faster and effective than the nozzles alone. This is a surface cleaner for gas and electric pressure washers and reduces cleaning time too. When you buy it includes extension wands of total length of 2 wands, 30 inch. The wand comes with a 1/4 quick connect that shows compatibility for many brands of pressure washer gun. There are 2 nozzles that are attached for replacement and can be used in case of blockage. For preventing water blockage due to sand or debris, you should use inline filter. This comes with a rotary surface cleaner that provides efficient performance. Flexible bristle skirt protects adjacent surfaces and doesn't ruin aggregate or stamped concrete. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.